Hi everyone, welcome to Codedor. I hope you guys are doing well. So we'll be solving count distinct elements in every window today. So given an array of integers and a number k, find the count of distinct elements in every window of size k in the array. Okay. So basically, what the question says is that we have been given an array of integers and also a variable k. So we have to find unique elements in each and every window of size k. So what do you exactly mean by windows? I'll quickly explain it. Okay, so this is the array which we have been given: 1 2 1 3 4 2 3. Okay, so what are the windows of size k? That is 4. You will consider in this case 1 2 3 4. This is the first window, second window, third, and similarly fourth window. Okay, so if you observe in this, that in every window you are first of all, you will take the first k elements as the first window, and again, if you want to go to the next window, you are deleting this element and adding the next element, right? You will delete the first element and add the next element to get this window of length 4. Okay, so now we have to return the unique elements in every window. Okay, so I hope you would know for example, let us see in this case. So the first window has three unique elements, that is 1 2 and 3. Again, in the second window we have 2 1 3 4, that is four elements as unique. So this will be the answer. So I hope you know that how to find the length of this window. If this is the jth position and this is the ith position, we can find the length as j minus I plus 1, because it is zero based indexing. So if what I can do is I can run a loop, and we can have a map to store the frequency of each element. Okay, we can have a map to store that to store the frequency of each element, and I can probably check at every step if that particular length, whatever I'm considering, is less than k. Then I can add the element inside, whatever the element is, I can add it inside my map and store its frequency. Again, if the size of the window is equal to k, then what I will have to do is I will have to delete this particular element. Okay, I will delete this particular element and add the next element. Okay, so you should be clear by now about these type of intuition. We have already covered it in our previous videos. I'll quickly be showing up the code. Okay, so basically, answer is to be written in a vector form. So we have an answer vector and an unordered map. Okay, so we have two pointers, I and j. So j will be used to keep the size of the window. That is, the second pointer here is j, and I will keep the beginning of the window size. Okay, so I and j. So till my j is less than n, what I can do is I can just add that particular element inside my map and check if the length of the window is less than k. That is, if it is not yet k, what I can do is just increment my j value, right? I can increase the length of the window. First I will be here, right? J will be here. Then the length of the window is k, that is 4. So it will again go to next element, and then again next element, and then again next element. So at this point we have four elements, right? That is 1 2 1 3. So similarly, we'll be doing that, and the point where we get the length of the window as 4, what we can probably do is we can push the size of the map inside our answer vector. Why? Because the size of the map will contain all the frequency of all the elements along with their own frequencies, right? So answer dot pushback mp dot size, and we will remove the first element. So I is pointing to the first element, and we will remove that particular element and add the next element again. So we will remove this particular element, and if its frequencies goes to 0, we will just erase that particular element. Okay, so since in this case I was 1 and we have another I, so we would not erase it because we still have one frequency of 1. Okay, and we will increment both the pointers and we'll return our answer at the end. Okay, so I hope you are clear with this approach. Thank you.